So hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fill gaps or holes in Polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So now let's get started. So in the table of contents section you can able to visualize we have this shapefile called study area boundary. So it contains a hole or a gap in this polygon here. So first let us measure this particular hole or a gap. So we're going to measure using this measure op tool that is available in the map section here. So we're going to click this option. So we're going to measure this particular hole here. So let me select. So the distance of this particular hole is around 0.31 kilometers. And similarly, so it is around 0.92 kilometers. Similarly, I'm going to measure from here. So it is around 0.84 kilometers. So I'm going to close this, clear this, and let me close this. So now to fill the gaps or the holes in Polygon in ArcGIS Pro, we're going to use this eliminate using this particular tool called eliminate polygon part. So we're going to navigate to this option called analysis, and in that we're going to click this option called tools. So now a window pop up saying geoprocessing. So here we're going to navigate to the data management tools, and in that we're going to click this tool called generalization, and we're going to click this tool called eliminate polygon part. So this is our required tool, that is eliminate polygon part. So let us take a look at this description of this particular tool. So it creates a new output feature class containing features from the input polygon with some parts or the whole of the specified size are deleted. So you can go through this description of this particular tool. So now in the parameter section in the input features, we're going to select our study area boundary, and in the output feature class navigate to the folder location where you could like to save this file. So you're going to navigate it to my folder location. So here I'm going to save it as a filled polygon study area. So you're going to click save, and next we're going to navigate to this option called condition. So here we have 4 different options available here. So let us check out this options here. So these are the following options that is available. So area, the parts with an area less than that specified will be eliminated, and percent, the parts with the percent of the total outer area less than that specified will be eliminated. And similarly, the area and percent, the parts with an area and the percent less than that specified will be eliminated. Only if the polygon part meets both the area and percent criteria will it be deleted. So you can go through the different conditions. For now, we're going to select this option called area. So in the area section here, you have to specify the polygon hole. So for example here, so we have measured the maximum polygon hole was around 0.92 kilometers. So we have a lot of polygons holes that is available in this particular shapefile here. You can able to see that there is a lot of holes in this particular polygon. So I'm going to specify some number higher of around, I'm going to specify it 2 kilometers. So I can able to see there is a lot of holes that is available in this polygon. So there is a lot of holes. So I'm going to navigate to my tool section here. So I'm going to select the area to be around 2 square kilometers. So I'm going to mention as 2, and the unit section I'm going to mention as in square kilometers. So once you did that, and leave the rest as the default. So now navigate to this option called run and click run. So currently the tool is running here. So we have our result here. So in the content sections you can able to visualize we have filled polygon here. So I'm going to select a different color to it. So I'm going to select the different colors to it. For example, I'm going to select a green color to it. So now you can able to visualize the polygon holes completely is filled out. So there is no hole in this particular polygon. So previously I'm going to turn off this. So you can able to see that there is a hole was present in this polygon. Now using this particular tool called eliminate polygon part, so we have managed to fill this hole in this polygon. You can able to see that. So in this video, I have shown you how to fill gaps or a hole in the polygon using ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.